In this lecture, we will start with the Systems Manager, and in Systems Manager, we need to first register into instances. Okay, so we need to register some instances here. So on the left hand side, you can see Node Management here, and in Node Management, the first one is Fleet Manager. Let's open it now. So here in Fleet Manager, what we have to do, we have to register some instances. You can see there is nothing now, but we can add instances here in a second. So let us go and add some instances. So for that, you will have to go to EC2 dashboard and make some instances. So let's go and do that first. So here is my instances EC2 dashboard, and let's launch one instance from here. So what we will do, we have to manage some instances. Okay, so we will not make a single instance, we will make 2 or 3 instances. So by default we will make 3 instances, suppose, and then what we have to do, we will see name. I'll just name it my SSM. Okay, or let's not name anything. We will select quick start, so it is Amazon Linux only. AMI, you can choose anything. Suppose it is Amazon Linux 2023 AMI, you can also choose Amazon Linux 2 AMI. So let us choose Amazon Linux 2 AMI. Next is instance type. I'll surely go with T2 micro. Key pair not required. If you want, you can have. So I will just create a new pair, or I'll choose one. So I'll just create one new key pair. So for that, what you have to do, you have to create one from here. You have to click whether you want to create it or not. Next is, you can also choose any of the key pairs. Suppose demo key which I have created. If you will see my previous video, you will get to know how we can create new key pairs. Okay, and next is a network settings. In this network setting, what we have to do, we don't have to allow anything, any of the services, so that we can know that our instance is being managed with SSM. Our instances are using SSM, not any security group. So we'll create a security group without any of the services, without any of the rules to be ticked. Now in advanced detail, what we have to do, in IAM instance profile, we will be creating a new IAM profile. So here are the role. We will create one role for this. It is an AWS service. Use case will be our EC2 only. Then we have to enter policies. So there is one policy which is Amazon SSM Managed Instance Core, which is Amazon SSM Managed Instance Core. Just search. Let us search it. Yeah, it is here. So this policy has everything which will just enable you to connect to your SSM. Alright, so we will select this one, and then I'll just do next. Let's name this role. So I'll name it Amazon EC2 role for SSM. Amazon EC2 role for SSM. Yeah. So this is our permission policy, Amazon SSM Managed Instance Core, and yep, I'll create one role for this. So my role is created here. What I'll do, I'll just select this role from IAM instance profile. So here it is, Amazon EC2 role for SSM. We have permissions, required permissions for it, and then nothing next. Number of instances, I'll just keep it 3, right? Now launch instance. So here you can see our instances has been launched, and when I'll go here, I'll just wait until their state is running. Okay, now right now it is pending, but we will wait until it's running. So let's wait. Yep, they all are, 2 are running, third one is pending. No worries, let's wait for other one too. Okay, all instances are running here. Now what? Now we will go to SSM and manage nodes. Wait. Yeah, here it is the fleet manager. Let's refresh it, and you will see that all 3 instances are running here. ping state is online operation here. You can also see uh, agent version is also there. So our fleet manager, in this fleet manager, all the instances are running and they are using SSM services only. So that's it. That is how you can just check whether or you can create or you can register instances in your systems manager. So that is all for this lecture. Let's meet in our next lecture.